Attention, space range. Remain seated with your hands on inside the space range. Get your gears code. Keep an eye on those gears. Buzz Lightyear, over and out.
All pilots stand by. You are clear for launch.
Thank you. Oh, we can spin. Oh, look at that.
Take course for Planet Z. Stand by to disengage autopilot. You've got the stick, Space Rangers. Take course for Planet Z. The thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. Got to hit Zurg's position right now. Z, what is this one? Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's. These power-hungry robots are Zurg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons.
Oh, we already got 200 points. No clue if I'm doing it right. You already got 20,000 points! What in the world? How do we know if we're hitting it?
You gotta watch where your light is.
Through the escape hatch, follow Zurg. Zurg escapes. Through the escape hatch.
Woo, she's winning.
My right hand, I said like there's my left hand.
Hey, this is an airplane ride. They repurposed this. What am I shooting at? No points.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. Do you hear? Indestructible.
I think mine's broken. I can't move it anymore.
Joystick disabled.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board to review your score. And remember, to infinity
And beyond! popcorn box.
Let's see your photo.
Buzz Lightyear.